Welcome back, folks, for our final new speaker introduction for this year's PaaS Data Community Summit. And this week, I'm being joined by Ioannis. And Ioannis' story is somewhat different than our previous contestants because Ioannis just recently spoke at New Stars of Data at the end of October. And just 3 weeks later, he will be presenting at the PaaS Summit. Ioannis, how cool is that? Congrats. How
Thank you.
excited are you about that super short gap between your first presentation and your first presentation at one of the biggest conferences that we have in our community?
Yeah, thank you very much. Super excited. It's amazing. It's challenging, of course, but I'm super happy about it and looking forward to both sessions. The preparation part is going to be a bit tough, let's say, but looking forward to both. They have different topic that I have to prepare for, but different concept. The PaaS Summit's 10-minute lightning session, and New Stars is 60 minutes. So I'm happy about both and looking forward to it.
A deep dive into the speaking world. Love that. So on your PaaS session, you already said it's going to be a lightning talk. Tell us a little bit more. What are you going to teach us in those very quick 10 minutes?
So I'm going to share with you, I'm going to provide an overview of best practices in Power BI. Of course, the focus is going to be on front end, some UI UX practices, fundamental guidelines to follow, just to aim to enhance a bit existing good storytelling. Tips to make it a bit aesthetically more pleasant, let's say, and help final stakeholders or users of the dashboard to be able to extract data-driven insights from it. And I will be using or providing also some practical tips from my current job that we're working with. We have a whole process and guidelines that we're implementing at my current position. And for closing, I will hopefully in those 10 minutes, I will have some time to squeeze a bit of things to avoid while working and trying to optimize the final result on the dashboard.
Well, that sounds great. A lot of content for only 10 minutes. And that's the thing that I love about Lightning Talks. I've told you that before. My first ever talk at a conference or at a Data Saturday was a Lightning Talk, and still to this day, I love the concept, despite it being entirely unforgiven on timing and all that. But it will be great, I'm sure. Very much looking forward to meet you in person very soon, this November in Seattle at the PaaS Summit. Very much looking forward to see all other friends there. So I see you and all of the others this November in person in Seattle.